Hello traders, I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Well, this video is just going to be focusing on a serious game changer, and that is the Wyckoff TradingView Indicator. So let us just add the Wyckoff indicator to the chart right now. All right. So we're just going to be working with okay, let's just check out the let's check out the so you can see that there are several week-off indicators and we can't possibly discuss all of them right now. So I'm actually being selective on the one we should talk about. Yeah, I wanted us to talk about a week-off indicator that is going to be talking about some phases of the market. Well, there are a lot of indicators available on TradingView. So if you are a TradingView user, you should understand what what is going on right now. You should understand what I'm talking about when it comes to getting an indicator that you want to make use of. You know um, if you're not sure of the particular indicator, you might actually get lost. So meanwhile, let's just let's just look at, because I want us to talk about market cycles. All right. So sorry for the delay, but I just really want us to talk about market cycles. Okay. Okay. So you can see I think I have the indicator that I'm looking for now. All right. So now basically this indicator is based on the legendary Wyckoff methodology. It's a time-tested framework that identifies market cycles, accumulation, distribution, markup, and markdown, right? And the indicator visualizes those phases directly on your chart. As you can see, you're not just seeing price moves, you're watching market psychology unfold. It helps you detect when big players are accumulating positions, you know, or when they are distributing, before big price shifts. So here's what you get when you are using the Wyckoff TradingView indicator, right? You get the automatic phase detection because the indicator highlights whether the market is in accumulation phase. You can see when you have accumulation, it's going to let you know. When there is distribution, is also going to let you know. And also, um, let's just go to the settings of this indicator. You can see some important parameters here which you can modify according to your taste. All right. All this. Well, and then if you pay close attention to the indicator, you might also be able to use the indicator to you can see that there are some arrows also highlighted on the chart. Meanwhile, if you're using this indicator, well, you might need some detailed study and understanding of it. The indicator is going to help you identify when it's a good time to enter a long trade. As you can see, when is a good time to enter a short trade, in addition to helping you understand the periods of accumulation and distribution. And you are also going to find some you can see you're going to find some important price points on the chart, areas to watch out for. Okay, you can just also plot horizontal support and resistance zones on the chart. I'm going to recommend plotting horizontal support and resistance zones on the chart so that you use that as confirmation when the indicator gives you signals. Okay, meanwhile, when used correctly, this tool can give you a certain view of market structure, letting you position yourself with the trend instead of against it. So traders often get caught chasing moves, right? But the Wyckoff indicator flips the script. It helps you anticipate moves. It doesn't just show you where price is, it gives you clues about where price wants to go. Okay? So it is ideal for day traders, swing traders, and even scalpers looking for refined entries during critical moments. It works across all time frames and it can even be paired with other tools like Fibonacci, EMAs, or liquidity zones. Okay, now some pro tips for you: use the indicator in confluence with price action. Also, watch out for change of character. I'm going to recommend also making use of your trend lines in addition to your horizontal support and resistance zones. Then look out for change of characters, and you can add the volume indicator to your chart as well. So when you get a distribution signal, and maybe a change of character occur, just like what happened here, you get a signal to enter short and you notice an increase in volume, that could be a validation of that sell signal. It could be a confirmation of that sell signal. All right. In the case of a buy, maybe you notice a structured shift from bearish to bullish, and maybe you get a confirmation from the volumes, and you're getting an accumulation signal. It could be a sign to enter a buy trade, right? Okay. The Wyckoff TradingView Indicator is it's quite a unique indicator that you might want to try out. Whether you're trading Forex, crypto, or stocks, this tool helps align your trades with the market's actual behavior, not just guesswork. So if you're ready to level up your technical skills and see how smart money moves, this indicator could be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. Okay, in the meantime, smash that like button and make sure you subscribe for more deep dive trading videos like this one. Until next time, stay sharp and trade smart.